Hi everyone, millions of Americans are preparing to receive their March 2026 Social Security payments and some retirements, and the amount could be reached up to high as $5,181 this month. But not everyone will be received that amount is not everyone will be paid on the same day. In fact, the March 11th payment date is only a specific group of beneficiaries based on the birth date. So who qualify on March 11th Social Security payments who can receive the maximum $5,181 benefits in 2026. The Social Security Administration sent a payment of strategy monthly schedule to manage benefits more than 17 million Americans. For March 2026, the first major payment date be Wednesday, March 11th. The payment is scheduled for people who receive Social Security retirement benefits, receive survival benefits, receive Social Security disability insurance, were born between the 1st and 10th of any month. If your birthday fall within the range, your Social Security payment will be arrive on March 11th, typically through direct deposit. Here the Social Security March payment on the month March 3rd. People who started receiving benefits before May 1997, those who received both Social Security and SSI who paid on this date. March 11th, beneficiary born between the 1st and 10th. March 18th, beneficiary born between the 11th and the 20th. March 25, beneficiary born between the 21 and 31. The $5,181 monthly benefits represent maximum Social Security payment possible in 2026. However, only a small number of retirements and qualify of this amount to receive maximum benefits. A worker general must be work at least 35 years, earn the maximum taxable income limit during those years, delay claiming your Social Security until age 17, waiting a longer to claim beneficiary increasing monthly payment through delayed retirement and credits. In 2026, the Social Security benefits also increased due to the 2.8% cost of living adjustment, raising the average monthly retirement benefits about $56. For millions of Americans, these payments remain critical source of income. Inspecting the payment of this month, make sure you check your deposit dates and verify your benefits information on Thog your Social Security account. Thanks for watching this video.